Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Roy English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ava.
And I'm Liam. Hey everyone, it's great to have you here again. We're so happy you decided to spend time with us today.
Yes, whether you're walking, cooking, or just relaxing, thank you for listening to our English Conversation podcast.
And today's topic is something everyone can talk about: daily routines in English.
Yes, morning, afternoon, evening, we all have things we do every day. So today, we'll show you how to talk about your daily life in simple English.
It's perfect for English beginners. We'll use easy words, slow speech, and real examples.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
All right, let's begin our day together, starting from the morning.
Okay, Liam, let's talk about mornings. How do you start your day?
My morning starts with one sound. Beep, beep, beep. My alarm clock.
Oh, I know that sound. It's terrible.
Yes. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but sometimes I hit the snooze button and sleep 5 more minutes.
I think everyone does that. I like to wake up early, around 6 a.m. I sit up, stretch, and smile.
Wow, a happy morning person. I'm not that kind of person. I wake up and think, coffee, I need coffee.
Me too. Coffee is my favorite morning drink. I drink a cup of coffee and eat toast with butter. Sometimes I add a little fruit, banana or apple.
That sounds healthy. I usually eat a quick breakfast, maybe just toast or cereal.
After breakfast, what do you do next?
I take a shower and get dressed for work. I like to listen to music while I get ready.
Nice. Music in the morning is a great idea. I also take a shower, then I make my bed and get ready for the day.
So our morning vocabulary is wake up, get up, take a shower, eat breakfast, get dressed.
Perfect. Listeners, you can say, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at home. I take a shower before work.
Excellent. Okay, now that we're ready, let's go to work or school.
So, Liam, how do you go to work?
I usually take the bus. It's a little crowded, but I listen to music or a podcast, sometimes our own podcast.
Good choice. I drive my car. The traffic is not fun, but I enjoy singing while I drive.
That's nice. So what do you do first when you arrive at work?
First, I say hello to my coworkers and open my computer. Then I check my emails.
Emails, the morning challenge. I also check messages and plan my day. I write a to-do list.
That's smart. I like to make a to-do list too. It helps me stay organized.
Then I start working on projects. Sometimes we have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Talking, planning, sometimes too many meetings.
Exactly. Around 12:30 p.m., I have lunch. What about you?
I usually eat lunch around 1 p.m. I bring lunch from home, maybe rice with vegetables or a sandwich.
That sounds delicious. I often buy something from a small cafe near my office. A chicken sandwich or soup.
Yum. During lunch, I like to go outside for a short walk. It helps me feel fresh.
Good idea. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy.
Oh yes, the afternoon nap feeling.
Exactly. That's when I drink my second cup of coffee.
I prefer green tea in the afternoon. It's lighter but still gives energy.
So our work vocabulary today: go to work, take the bus, have meetings, check emails, eat lunch, drink coffee.
And if you're a student, you can say, I go to school at 8. I study English in the morning. I eat lunch with my friends.
Perfect examples. All right, now let's move to the afternoon and evening when work is done.
So it's 5 p.m. The workday is finished. What happens next, Liam?
I feel great. I pack my bag, say goodbye to everyone, and go home on the bus.
Nice. I drive home, but there's always traffic, so I listen to audiobooks or more podcasts.
That's a good way to use time. When I get home, I say hello to my cat, Luna.
Aw, Luna! I have a dog, Max. He's always waiting for me by the door.
That's so cute. Pets make home time so happy.
They do. After I say hello to Max, I change my clothes. Comfortable clothes, not work clothes.
Yes, same here. I put on a t-shirt and sweatpants. It feels amazing.
Then I start preparing dinner. I love cooking. Simple food like pasta or soup.
Oh, I'm not a great cook. Sometimes I make eggs or order food. Pizza night.
Pizza night is the best. I like to cook while listening to music.
That's relaxing. I eat dinner around 7 p.m. What about you?
Usually around the same time. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes.
Good job. I sometimes wait too long to clean up.
So in this part, listeners, our key verbs are go home, change clothes, cook dinner, eat dinner, clean up.
Yes, you can say, I cook dinner at 7. I eat with my family. I clean the kitchen after eating.
Very nice. Now, what do you do after dinner? Let's talk about our night routines.
At night, I like to relax. I sit on my sofa with my cat and watch TV shows or funny videos.
I like that too, but sometimes I prefer to read a book or listen to soft music.
That sounds peaceful. Do you use your phone at night?
Only a little. I try not to look at my phone before bed. It helps me sleep better.
Good idea. I'm guilty. I scroll on my phone too long.
I also take a night walk with my dog, Max. The air is cool and the stars look beautiful.
That sounds amazing. My cat doesn't like walks. She prefers sleeping.
Cats love sleep. Speaking of sleep, what time do you go to bed?
Usually around 11:30 p.m. I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and go to bed.
I go to bed earlier, around 10 p.m. I like to sleep early and wake up fresh.
So, night vocabulary: watch TV, read a book, take a walk, brush teeth, go to bed, sleep.
Exactly. You can say, I go to bed at 10. I brush my teeth every night. I read before sleeping.
Nice and simple sentences you can use every day.
All right, let's review what we learned today.
Morning, wake up, eat breakfast, take a shower, get dressed.
Work or study, go to work, check emails, have lunch.
Evening, go home, cook dinner, relax.
Night, watch TV, read, go to bed.
Excellent. You can use all these phrases to describe your daily life in English.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. Are you a morning person or a night person?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
See you next time for another fun and easy English conversation.
Bye for now.